Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Wowbutter party horns. Happy New Year! Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, you are going to need Wowbutter, and you do want to have that at room temperature. So if you keep it in the refrigerator, just go ahead and get it out. And I just went ahead and put mine into a ziploc bag, and I'm going to pipe it, cut the tip off of it and pipe it into my Bugles. So you also need Bugles. And then you need some white melting chocolate and then some sprinkles. I thought the gold would be cute for New Year's. And then you just want to lay your bagels out, or your Bugles out, because you want to just make sure that you have good ones, you know. You don't want them broken or little tiny pieces. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, my Bugles are filled, and I am going to go ahead and pop those in the freezer for about 15 minutes, just so they're just easier to dip. And you can see you just want the Bugles that have the bigger holes, and you just pipe them in there. It does take a long time, but I'm going to tell you, these are so good. Okay, I melted half of my white chocolate in the microwave in 30-second increments until it was nice and smooth. And I got all of my little horns out of the freezer, and I'm just going to dip these as quickly as I can, about 3 or 4 at a time, and then put the sanding sugar crystals on top. Alright, these are all dipped and ready to go, and they look so yummy. Alright, these are all set up and they look delicious. So we'll see what Taste Tester thinks. Alright, Taste Tester, have a little taste.
Okay. Yum. Yum.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Bye.